we're going to do a comparison between Big K Cola and Pepsi. Now, which one do you think is the superior beverage?
Pepsi.
Of course it's Pepsi. Do not say Big K Cola. I will be sad. All right. So anyway, there's not much difference between the formulations. But has anyone seen this demo before? Have you seen this before? You haven't? Okay. Well, if you go on YouTube, you'll find all kinds of demonstrations. The Diet Coke Mentos demonstration, okay? So we're going to test a few things. All right, and then we can all draw conclusions together about what we think the primary factor is that's driving this reaction to occur, okay? So right now we're just doing 2 colored sodas, 2 different brands. All right, and we can look at some of the contents of it, and we can see that the amount of sugar, 42 grams of sugar. We've got 41 grams of sugar, so the sugar content's pretty similar. They're the same color, right? They're carbonated beverages, so for the most part, they're very, very similar, right? Okay, so now what we're gonna do is, what we have up here is we have 7 Mentos encased in this little tube. All right, there is a little lever that I'm just gonna pull, all right? Right now the lever has 2 prongs that are holding up the Mentos, okay? And then I'm gonna pull it. The prong is gonna release and all the Mentos are gonna drop, all right? You with me? And then we're gonna have the Mentos dropping into the soda. What do you think's gonna happen? What do you hope's gonna happen?
Carbonation.
Then the next question I'm going to ask you, after we do a few experiments, I'm going to ask you, why is it happening? All right? All right, and there's 2 big reasons that are often discussed. Chemical and physical. All right? So we'll just leave it as those 2 things. It's either a chemical process or a physical process, or maybe it's a mixture of both. All right? You ready for the first test?
Yes.
All right, so here we go. Big K versus Pepsi. You ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, go.
Unfortunate, that's a miss.
So which one went higher?
Pepsi.
Pepsi.
Pepsi. So this must use cheap sugar.